Today, for the Bitcoin price, we will show you the best Bitcoin price prediction model we have seen so far. This specific model here has been not only predicting all the bear market lows, all the bull market highs right here and right here. It has also been predicting the duration of each and every accumulation and reaccumulation stages before the liftoff, but also within the cycles, the different levels where Bitcoin was due for a heavy retracement. And even more important, right now, this model is predicting when this accumulation and reaccumulation stage is going to end, and also when Bitcoin is going to top out and at which specific price point. Guys, you do not want to miss out on that. You want to take a seat, you want to smash up the like button for the new year 2020 right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris. And as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. And as I already said, Happy New Year 2020 from the whole MMCrypto team. We are so happy to have you guys, to have you as support and to experience that crazy Bitcoin journey all together. So let's remove all these things here to make it easier to understand, because this model is actually very easy to understand yet very effective. So you probably already know this specific channel here, the BTC Tops channel, the YOP Tops channel. And the reason why we don't like that one is basically because this one was not able to predict the bottom, if that was the bottom, of course. And also, if you go on the instructions of the BTC YOP Tops channel, you cannot see any explanations how this one is actually calculated. And also it was not really on point within the last few months. And if we go on the instructions of the Bitcoin log growth curves, and that's exactly how you can find it also on TradingView, you can see that all these lines within the channel are actually Fibonacci retracement levels within the channel. So you have everything. 100% is marking the bull market highs, 0% is marking the bear market bottoms. And within that, you have the different retracement levels of 76.4, 61.8, 50%, 38.2 Fibonacci retracement levels. And these ones hold really significance here within the model, because you can see, for example, at the temporary high in July 2019, the Bitcoin price up to the exact dollar respected the 50% Fibonacci retracement level right here. It went down and it respected the 100% retracement level within the channel exactly and up to the exact dollar. I mean, we also showed you here on the monthly candles in that video here, where we predicted the 6,420 bottom with this one here, where you can see that this line was actually not only built with these two candles, but also validated through these 11 candles here. And also you can see that it is in perfect confluence with the bottom of the channel. Well, so far so good. Let's go back to the weekly and show you that this holds actually significance with all the different cycles. You can see Bitcoin was always bottoming out and had the accumulation and reaccumulation stage within the bottom of this channel. And when we were due for that liftoff, you had resistance right there, you had support right here, resistance here, support here. And this actually is very, very nice for people who not only want to time the market and catch the bull market highs, the bear market bottoms, but also who want to try to outperform the market within these cycles by selling the temporary highs and buying the temporary lows. This is not for intraday trading, but this is for like a nice midterm swing trading. Very, very good. So far so good. Now, which is the most important question probably for everyone, is when is Bitcoin going to finally leave that accumulation and reaccumulation stage, as we told you in the beginning of the video, and when is Bitcoin actually finally going to lift off from that line here and maybe find a new all-time high. And this model is actually exactly predicting that. Of course, not with 100% certainty, but so far the history was proving it right. So like in a nice cooking TV show, we already prepared something for you here. And you can see that the orange areas right here and right there are marking the time from Bitcoin hitting bottom until it is actually lifting off from that accumulation and reaccumulation stage and is going within the parabolic bull market. And The green areas here are measured from these vertical lines, which are the halving dates in 2012, in 2016, and right there even in 2020 in May. And these green areas are measuring the time from the halving until the all-time high. So what we will do right now is we want to see if there's a pattern in how much longer they are actually getting. And for that, easy as that, we are taking the 588 days and the 420 days here. And guys, stay here until the end. This is extremely interesting. So you can see on point, this is 40%. So from this reaccumulation stage to this accumulation stage, we had an increase of the duration of 40%. And if we were just to follow that trend and that 40% longer accumulation period, we have to take the 588 and times that with the 40%. And then we basically get 823 days. So let's play that game and let's go from the low here, 823 days forward. And then we know, just according to that model, how long Bitcoin will take to leave this accumulation stage. And we also know the exact price Bitcoin will leave the accumulation stage. So according to that, Bitcoin will leave it somewhere around March 2021, but at a price level of 16,000 approximately. So yeah, of course, we can break the all-time high before or after the halving, but usually Bitcoin should go back and retrace back before it goes into that parabolic bull market. And now, very important, from that green areas here, they are also getting longer. So let's see the ratio of how much they are getting longer. 525 and 364. So we are taking 525 divided by 364. And look at this, this is also approximately 40%. So what we are doing right now is we are taking the 525 times this 40%. And then we are getting 757. This is only approximately, it's not up to the exact day or up to the exact dollar, but it is approximately what has happened before and which is, according to that model, likely to happen in the future. And before we show you when Bitcoin is going to take off, where it is going to retrace according to that model, we are not predicting anything here, according to the model, and when Bitcoin is going to top out and at which exact price, we want to show you something very quickly, because we want to show you something just for a few seconds, because today is the last day for 3 commas. Only if you are interested. If you are not interested, just skip it. You are getting a 40% discount, and this is the very last day to get the 40% discount. You just have to click this Christmas gift here on the top, grab, apply it, and then you can see that the prices are actually decreasing heavily. So here you can get the starter for $17 a month, the advanced for $29 a month, and the pro for $59 a month. For everyone who doesn't know what that is, we are basically using it from time to time just out of fun. These are trading bots, and you can implement them with just a few clicks on Bybit, on Binance, on all the exchanges. We are personally doing it on Bybit. And if you go here to bots, you can see you can do it without having the subscription. Just check it out. You can see there are different bots. This one is running for 16 days and it already generated 2.4% per day. It sounds like a scam, but we can already tell you probably in 1 or 2 weeks, this one will not be profitable anymore. So this is not something like a get rich quick thing. It is something you can experiment with and you can check out. But you can do all the trading pairs like Bitcoin, USDT, you can search for it. And if it's generating like 1% per day, it is maybe going to continue for a week or two, but then usually these bots are not working anymore and you have to swap over. It is actually something nice where you can generate something like passive income or so, but of course still there is risk involved. But if you want to exclude the psychology, this is a very great thing to do. And yeah, if you want to take advantage of that bonus, which is probably not coming back for a long time, you go into our pin comment and you see 3 commas last day, 40% off. By clicking that link and generating an account with that link, you are getting the 40% off by clicking the Christmas gift. And also, if you want to connect it on Bybit and you want to do it on Bybit, we are doing it with a second account because, as we already told you, it's something like an experiment. You go there, you click that link, you get the $90 bonus for a deposit, and also you can implement the 3 commas bot on Bybit here. It is very, very easy to understand. If you have any questions, you can ask us in the Telegram group. That being said, guys, let's check it out. So if we were with the Bitcoin price to stick to that model, and actually if that model becomes true also for the next cycle, then Bitcoin should be in that range, maybe like whatever, everything can happen within that, but it should stay within that range and on that accumulation stage. And then our opinion is usually we should find retracement at the 38.2, the 61.8 here in that case, the 50%, the 38.2, and then somewhere in June 2022, according to that model, and this is already longer than a 4-year cycle, we will hit the all-time high at approximately 175,000 US dollars on the 6th of June 2020, give or take. Of course, guys, do not quote us on that, but if you want to use a model, in our opinion, this is by far the best one. So this is extremely valuable when it comes to our opinion. Let us know what you think about that in the comment section down below. And do you think actually that the next Bitcoin all-time high will be above 175,000 or below 175,000? There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Click it and let us know above 175K or below 175K. We would be really interested to know what you think about that. Also, guys, very quickly, we want to break 1,000 likes on that video. Let's see if we can break 1,000 likes. Make sure you click the like button right now. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you use our affiliate links if you want to support us, if you want to get bonuses and discounts in our affiliate section in the pinned comment. Just click the links if you want to use it, but Bybit is only for experienced traders. Let us know what you think about that model in the comment section down below, and we will be back very, very soon at the next one of Crypto, already tomorrow on our Crypto channel. So as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.